everybody, welcome back to my family taxi, and I'm so happy to stand here under this tree, which is my favorite fruit in South India. This is called jackfruit, and you can see this is the smallest in size, and I'm just going to show you around the jackfruit tree. And we came to Raj's cousin's house, and in this farm there's loads of jackfruit trees, and they're going to cut one for us.
பாலை இங்கே எடுத்துலாமா அவன்
I cannot wait to cut this and enjoy the fruit. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please subscribe to my family taxi for more exciting episodes.